In this video, I will show you how to make my green chili sauce. It can be used to put on your grilled chicken. You can use it to eat your attieke, just like I'm doing right there. You can use it for any side dish whatsoever you like. It is super simple and very, very delicious. So if you are interested, stay tuned. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you are notified each time I post a new recipe. So let's get started. You will need 4 plano peppers. You will need 2 green bell peppers. You will need 12 jalapeno peppers and 1 roll of parsley. You will also need 3 red onion and 2 shallots and 6 habanero peppers and 5 shishito peppers, 1 ginger root and black powder, onion powder, garlic powder and paprika. You will also need 4 Maggi cubes. You will also need minced garlic. So what you will do next, you will simply cut everything. So I'm cutting my parsley. Everything is washed. Make sure you wash all your vegetables. So I'm cutting my parsley, my jalapeno peppers, my ginger, my habanero pepper, every single thing. You just want to cut it and then put it in the blender. Also add my black pepper to the mix and blend that together. I also added my Maggi cubes as well. In the mix is just not showing. So make sure you add your Maggi cube and everything and some water and you simply blend. Not too much water, just a little to make it blend. So that way it will cook faster and it will not stay long on the fire. Once blended, go ahead and pour the entire mixture in your pot and put that on the fire. And right before I start, I will also go ahead and add my seasoning. On there, I will add all the remaining paprika, black pepper, clove, onion powder, every single thing. I'm just going to add it as well right before I start. Right now, it's not showing here that after I put it there, the video didn't capture it for whatever reason. But make sure you add that, and you just simply going to cover that and let it cook. So I added my bouillon there as well. Better than bouillon, 1 teaspoon, and just taste it. So you're just going to stir it up some more and cover it up for an additional 15 minutes. And I realized that I needed more salt, so I added a little bit of my bouillon powder on there and some extra black pepper. And I'm just going to stir it up again, and I'll cover it up, and then my stew is done. So it takes about a good 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes, give or take, depending on how you like your things to be cooked. And it's over. It is simple and easy, but super, super delicious. So once it's done, I'm simply going to pour it in my jar just to keep it so I can use it next time. And here is the finished product. I'm adding it a little bit to my attieke. I have this recipe on my channel, so make sure you watch that. I will link it up here as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with others. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, au revoir, salut.